Hi, everyone. I'm Tuvit. I'm the head of developer relations at Wix, and I couldn't be more excited to be here today, as we have some truly amazing announcements to make that means groundbreaking opportunities for you all. Everything I'm about to show you is all about how we're opening our platform, providing you with the best tools to succeed on Wix. And I'd like to start by taking a minute to share why we're investing in this. Wix has come a long way from what it was to what it is today. Over the years, we built an incredible self-sustaining ecosystem and brought in millions of users. For a while, our focus was mainly on helping DIY users who run small, medium businesses to succeed on Wix. That meant providing them features like intuitive drag-and-drop website builder, complete business solutions, out-of-the-box hosting, automations, payments, and much, much more. We were all about covering their common use cases, and a lot of them. But our audience kept growing and getting more sophisticated. They started to become a mix of DIY and web agencies. And those web agencies started taking on bigger and bigger clients. Bigger, more sophisticated clients, as you must know, have a variety of complex needs, and we know that those needs are endless. Naturally, with hundreds of millions of users, there's only so much we can do. And that meant that it was about time, like my friend said before me, to open our platform, so that developers like yourself can enrich it with your own solutions. Today, applications are the way to break boundaries in the Wix ecosystem. And we're heavily investing in providing you with everything you need in order to succeed. And with all the improvements we made, now more than ever, app developers can build more and build it better. Whether you need to extend Wix as you're building sites for your clients, or you want to earn big by selling your applications through our Wix App Market to over 260 million users, out of which over 2 million are web agencies who are building for others. Over the past year, we've seen a 60% increase in the number of applications in our app market, thanks to some initial improvements we've made. And we still see massive growth potential based on some game-changing improvements we're making to the platform, providing you tools that are higher quality and give you more space to create exactly what you envision. And this is ongoing. We're committed to continue releasing new tools that makes it easier and faster to bring your solutions to the Wix platform, and you can quote me on that. So what are Wix applications? Wix applications are basically reusable functionality packages that contain anything from a simple site widget to a full-blown business solution, complete with backend logic, user interfaces, and databases that users can integrate seamlessly to their site. So now, I'm excited to take you through our app development ecosystem and some of the game changers we've recently launched. We know how important these areas are for you. Smoother development, greater extensibility, and more ways to bring in more revenue. Let's dive in. For starters, say hello to Wix Blocks. This is a visual way to build applications that incorporates all the advantages of the Wix platform. Just as intuitive as our website builder, Blocks is a drag-and-drop app builder with powerful layout and design tools, so your widgets are precise, beautiful, and responsive. Add custom functionality to your application, just like adding code to a site in the Wix editor to implement your application's internal business logic. Easily design menus and panels and control how much freedom site creators have to configure your widget's appearance on their site editor, so it can fit seamlessly in their site. Plus, your code is deployed and hosted on the Wix cloud, so there's no additional cost or setup. We launched Blocks at last year's DEF CON in New York, and we're already seeing its massive adoption among app builders and their increased revenue stream. Look at that. The growth in the number of applications built using blocks is truly exciting and inspiring for us. Today, over 50% of all new published applications in the Wix App Market are built using blocks. Each application provides value to website owners as well as creating extra income to the developers behind it. Now, I want to move on to something that makes developers feel right at home. Meet Wix Cli, made by developers for developers. The Wix Cli is brand new, and the reason we're so excited about it is because it enables you to develop exactly the way our own developers do. The CLI is an intuitive toolkit that has all the tools you need to create rich, powerful applications using the technologies you know and love. It allows you to focus on your business logic without worrying about integrating your application into the Wix platform, so you can write exactly the way you're used to. TypeScript with React for all your front-end needs and Node.js for your backend, however you want. It provides a local development environment for previewing and testing your application and abilities that support easy collaboration while working in a team. And just like blocks, you get hosting and deployment out of the box. I can't wait to see what you do with it and share the success stories in next year's DevCon, just like I did with blocks. Now, developing an application can be a complex and expensive process. It requires learning different tools, services, integration, deployment. The list goes on. Blocks and CLI saves you all of that. It provides you a plug-and-play environment that removes all of that, and providing you hassle-free, cost-effective developer experience. Of course, you could also always integrate your existing applications into the Wix ecosystem, and it would be just as simple. Using our self-hosted option allows you to connect your existing application to Wix using our SDK, and that way, you can keep your code exactly as it was while simply connecting it to a whole new market. Now, we see the need for applications to feel native within the Wix ecosystem. And that's why we're so proud to release today the Wix Design System, allowing you to build applications using the same components we do. The Wix Design System is a toolkit for developers and designers to craft beautiful and intuitive product experiences that are native to the Wix ecosystem. You can use its React library of reusable components to create dashboard pages and setting panels for your application. You also get ready-to-use complex patterns with built-in logic to help streamline your development process. In this example you see here, there's a table component. It includes out-of-the-box essential design and functional features for querying, displaying, and filtering the collection data, and you get that out of the box. The components are documented in a storybook, accompanied by a demo, playground, and a Figma kit for smoother creation of higher quality Wix-styled applications. We're literally giving you our best practices and all of our inside knowledge. Now, for those of you who don't like to start from scratch, we just released starter templates. Every template has a working application that you're free to modify, build on, and deploy. The templates have all of the development frameworks I just mentioned and pre-configured setup, so you can quickly move from concept to a fully functional application, saving valuable time and money. One of the most exciting things I get to share with you today is how we've opened our ecosystem, exposing a whole new level of options to extend it and create greater applications. Using plugins, you can create feature-rich extensions that seamlessly integrate into Wix's first-party business solutions. For example, Wix stores, bookings, events, and more, extending their functionality and user experience across the board, whether it's in the Wix editor, the dashboard, or their backend. Wix users can easily install and place plugins into predefined placeholders to those applications. You're adding functionality in context to applications that are already installed to millions of users. This presents tremendous success opportunities. Whether it's element on the Wix editor, like Wix Store's product page or checkout that will be used by the site visitor, or in the application's dashboard where you can add management functionality so that the business owners can use them, or the backend where you can add your own external logic to the Wix application flow using the service plugin. Now, as you must imagine, as leader of the DevRel group, I love hearing about how developers are adopting our solutions. We introduced the plugin feature silently a couple of months ago, and I just had to share how powerful it is. This graph shows you the story of an application that went live on our market in 2023, and it was doing okay. But in April 2024, just a couple of months ago, the same application added a UI plugin in context within the Wix Store's product page and multiplied their revenue by 10. Yes, by 10. And that's not all. We're excited to announce that we now have hundreds of new APIs available for use via REST, SDK, and GraphQL. In the past year, we've released over 500 new endpoints across 40 API domains that run through the entire Wix ecosystem. And we're constantly releasing more. Add this to everything else that was already mentioned today, just imagine what you can do. Now, before I move on to the money makers, I want to talk about shipping your application to the Wix App Market. Our mission is all about maximizing self-service and minimize your friction. You can configure your application's authentication, permission, webhook, market listing, and more in our dev center, and then submit it for our team to review. Once it's published, you can manage it and make changes to it and update it automatically for all of your users. Now, in case it's not already obvious, we're fully invested in your success. We want to foster growth, prosperity within the Wix app ecosystem, giving you more opportunities to earn. Your success is our success. Yaniv said it before me, and we can't say it enough. Starting with the discoverability of your application in the Wix App Market, where we constantly work on improving conversions by optimizing our search, collections, and categories. Plus, users can find your application right when they need them, with even more new touchpoints in context right within their management dashboard. We know how hard it is for your users to find applications they know and trust in the Wix App Market. We want to reward those of you who excel and provide high-quality products by grading you the new Wix Choice Badge to acknowledge the quality of your application and help it stand out. By earning this badge, your application will not only gain greater visibility, but also the confidence of our vast user base, which translates into more installations. But how do you translate those installations into money? Pricing models aren't a new concept in the world, but setting the right one to your application is very important for its success. You can choose the pricing plan from a range of options, starting with a free trial, which is new to our platform, and we're excited to announce it as we know how powerful it is. With free trial, users get full access to your application for a limited time, and then they're automatically charged after it ends. As you can imagine, this model is extremely effective at turning engaged users into actual paying customers. You can also implement usage-based pricing, in which charges are based on app usage, recurring payments, where users pay a regular subscription fee, or others that brings you the best success that fits your goals. Choose the right pricing plan that is right for you, and our out-of-the-box checkout system will take care of the rest. In the first year, you receive 100% of all sales revenue, and we've also waived all commission forever. Okay, I'm going to leave you with this. App developers can do even more and be even more successful on the Wix App Market, leveraging our new tools for smooth development, greater extensibility, and superior success. And in case it wasn't already clear, this is only the start. We see ourselves as the beginning of a lifelong relationship with app developers like yourself. And we hope you're as excited as we are about what we've done so far and everything that will keep coming in the future. We're excited to go on this journey with you. We would love to talk and show you details demo of everything I just presented. Our team is right here. Come visit us in the expo, meet our DevRels, and join our Discord community. Thank you so much.